Hello everyone, so just wanted to kind of have a quick video just to clear things up as far as how we're going to look at defending this year. Now last week what we covered was the blitz and the blocked stroke shoot defence. So basically they're the two types of defences that we're going to look on. Now if I'm just going to kind of point it out here now that the Ange channel here from the touchline to the kind of what we say the 10 channel, probably about 6 metres in width, and again on the other side of the pitch from the touchline to the 90, again just about kind of 5, 6, 7 metres per channel. What we're looking at is we're trying to get the attack to make every play of the ball as predictable about what they're going to be doing on the next play as we possibly can, and how we can simplify that and react to it in a way that's going to benefit us. So with the touchline, it's always a benefit for us to keep the opposition near there. So if we was to put an opposition, let's put the green one. So if the opposition play the ball, we've done a good kick chase downfield and we've been able to keep them there in the corner of the pitch. That's our utopia. That's where we want to be kind of doing everything. So we'll put 2 markers in. And they'll probably have somebody to take the ball out. So we're then looking at A, B, C and D. So marker 1, we want him to get out and chase and get at those ball players' legs. Like that. Sometimes though, opposition are a bit smart, and we'll probably be looking to do this year on our attacks, that we'll put him as a decoy runner, and then we'll put him going around the back on the next play. Hope that makes sense. If so, we've got A defender blitzing, B defender blitzing, C defender blitzing, D defender blitzing. Now that is all on up and in D. So if we can have a look at that for this channel here, that's where we'll be looking at there. For future reference, we'll put in our next 6 defenders with our fullback behind the A defender in this case. So everybody, as you can see, in this zone here, we'll mark 2 in. Now I've heard in the past, and in fact I've used in the past 60% of the line or 50%. It's so hard to judge. But if you're marking up with 2 attackers outside of your D line, so instead of the winger marking up on their winger, the winger will stand opposite their 3-man in. He's still his man. That winger is still his man. But we're starting with a D-line that's tight. Now, just going back to this one. So as these 4 set off, big flat 4, and they're moving up and in to try and keep that attack in that corner of the pitch. This fella at E, F, G, H, and I. So, if you want to put it another way, there's the winger in half-back, centre, back row. Your 9, your 13, your 8, your 10, your 11, six. There's another one in there. Let's put another defender in. Can't count. 6, 4, 5. Okay, so these wingers. So they've all shot in. 8 will start 1 step behind him. He 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 will start 1 step behind him, and he will start 1 step behind him. So the whole point of that is if they beat this point here, we're now in a good place that we can just slide out, slide out, slide out, slide out. Ultimately, when we're defending, we want to be getting 3 in each collision. We can control each collision then. Now that will give us every chance, and the best chance we get to getting 3 into that collision if they're brave enough to do a shift. Does that everybody make sense with that? Yes, we will give meterage up, but we will control the collision speed. And that is what is vital. Okay? So that's the blitz defense. Okay? Cool.